Hello everyone. Look at this picture. Many students have a big misunderstanding when they start EE. You might think, is the EE just a longer internal assessment? This is a very dangerous idea. Today, we will change this mindset completely. First, think of the internal assessment as a skill check. The goal is verification. It is like a driving test. The examiner checks if you can drive safely and follow the rules. In the IA, we ask, can you control variables? Can you calculate standard deviation? Can you follow the steps perfectly? But the EE is different. The goal is argumentation. The examiner does not care if you can drive. They care if you know why the car moves or how to make it faster. So, the IA proves you are a good high school student. The EE proves you can be a university researcher. The biggest difference is depth. Are you describing what happened or explaining why it happened? Let's use a classic example, the potato catalase experiment. You will do this experiment next semester, but this is a perfect time to think about it. Picture, you put a potato in hydrogen peroxide. It makes bubbles. If you look at this through the eye lens, you will see this graph. And you will see the higher the concentration, the faster the reaction. Then it stops. Your conclusion will be, this proves the collision theory. More particles means more collisions, and a faster reaction. This is a perfect IA. You verified what is in the textbook. But if you use the EE lens, this is not enough. You need to explore the mechanism. Look at this graph. This is called a Lin-Weaver-Burk plot. Usually, only university students use this. In an EE, you might ask, if there is a heavy metal pollution, like copper ions, can the enzyme still work? Using slope of this graph, you find a secret. Copper does not fight for the spot. Instead, it changes the shape of the enzyme. This is called non-competitive inhibition. This is the huge gap between the two conclusions. The IA conclusion says the reaction was faster because there were more collisions. But in EE, the EE conclusion says copper changes the structure of the enzyme. Therefore, in polluted soil, we should plant potato A, not potato B. Finally, please look at this table. When doing the IA, your role is an apprentice. You need to show rigor and precision. But when you doing the EE, your role is a scholar. You need to show curiosity and insight. I wish this comparison helps you to make the right choice for your topic.